IntelliScientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we are going to learn about a simple machine which is also present inside our homes, that is the inclined plane. So let's start and make a model of the inclined plane. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Simple Machines Activity Kit. Take out the foam base, the inclined plane and the marble holder from the foam sheet which has parts of the simple machine models. Also take out the pulley stand pieces, the pulley, thin bamboo stick, thread, marbles, hook and foam washers. You will also need a small disposable paper cup from your home. Let's start, and first of all take out the foam base and insert the pulley stand pieces into these slits given in the foam base. Now take the thin bamboo stick and insert it into the hole given in the pulley stand piece like this. First the pulley stand piece, then the pulley and then the second pulley stand. Now secure the movement of this stick by attaching two foam washers on the outer edges of the pulley stand pieces. Now let's take the marble holder. Remove two foam pieces from this marble holder and insert two marbles in the holes. Now take around 40 cm of the thread and tie one of its end into the hole at the top of the marble holder. You can use a pencil to insert the thread into the hole. Now tie the other end of this thread to the hook. Let's keep this aside for a while, and now we are going to tie the thread around this paper cup. For this, take the remaining thread and tie it around the paper cup. Your paper cup should have a boundary so that the thread can get stuck on its edge. Now tie this loose end to the opposite side. See, now we can hang this paper cup very easily with the help of this hook. Now place the inclined plane on the pulley such that the pulley comes at the center in between the gap of the inclined plane. Here, like this. Now fix the setup by attaching two more foam washers between the inclined plane and the pulley stand pieces. Our inclined plane setup is now ready. To perform the activity, place the setup at the edge of a table or at some height. Now take the marble holder and hook arrangement and move it around the pulley like this. Let's take the paper cup and hang it on the hook. You can see that the paper cup is now hanging down the edge. Now put some stones or any other weight into the paper cup one by one. You can also add some marbles to it. As you put the stones or the marbles in the cup, the marble holder moves up. This is how an inclined plane works. If we want to lift and place a heavy object upwards, for example our vehicles, we would need to lift them like this, which is very difficult. But when we use a ramp like this, it becomes very easy. Whenever we try to lift a heavy object upwards, it is very difficult for us. Hence, we use an inclined plane. It requires much less effort and thus makes our work easier. Examples of inclined planes around us are the ramps that we use in hospitals and also outside our houses. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.